Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Raise and support the vehicle. To get to the fog light, we're going to remove this 10mm bolt. It also has a Phillips head in here. It'll be easier to get with a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. I'm going to use the trim clip tool to help me pry these out. Once you get it unlocked, it'll come right out. Repeat that for the other one. Get it started with a small flat-bladed screwdriver. Get the trim clip tool under there. Pull the plastic out of the bumper. Just peel it down. You can see the back of the fog light assembly. There's a white connector going into it. We're going to unlock it by pushing this tab and pulling that out. Put that aside. The bulb is actually attached to this yellow lock part. There's a lock tab just like this on the bottom that's on the top, and you basically just squeeze it together and then wiggle it out. You pull the whole bulb assembly out. This is a PA46 GF40 bulb. The bulb and socket's all one assembly. This one's in good shape, so we're going to put it back in. We just want to show you how to remove it. It is keyed when it goes back into the fog light housing. There's a single key on this side and a double key on this side. We're going to match those up, and that way it will slide in the housing correctly. So if I try to put it in this way, it won't go in because the keyway doesn't line up. If I flip it 180 degrees, the two keyways are facing the inside of the car, so it should slide right into place, and you just snap it in. Just like that. And reinstall the connector in the same way it came out. That's installed. I clip this shield back into behind the bumper, up just like that. Reinstall the clips, so you want to make sure the center is pushed out, and then you can push the little fingers in, because those will go in through the openings. Push it in to lock it. Same for this one. Sometimes they get filled with dirt. Reinstall this bolt. We go right back up into the plastic grommet it came out of. And that's it. Don't over tighten it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.